In this short video tutorial, we'll learn how to convert the value of integer variables into string. So in one of the previous videos, we understood how to convert the integer values into string by using the toString function. But in this tutorial, we'll understand how to use the convert class and convert the value of integer into string. So let's create an integer variable x, and we have given it a value 10. Now let's create a string variable str. We will convert the value of x from integer to string, and we will store it in the string variable str. Now in one of the previous tutorials, we understood how to use the toString function to convert the value of the integer into string. But in this video, we will not be using the toString function. We will be using the convert class, which has been given to you by C#, and we will call the toString function in that convert class, which will convert the value of the integer into string. So the convert class, as you can notice, is the convert class, as you can notice, has the toString function. So the toString function in the convert class needs an input. So let's give it an input as x. So what we are doing here is we're using the toString function in the convert class, and we have given it the integer variable x. So we are asking it to convert the value of the integer value of this x variable into string and store it back into the str variable. Now let's debug our program and see whether this line of code generates the expected results or not. So as of now, the value of x is 10, which is an integer, and the value of variable str is null. So when we will run this line of code, now this line of code has executed. Notice that the value of str is 10. Notice these double quotes. These double quotes tell us that the value of the variable str is 10, not as an integer 10, but as a string 10. So the value of x is still 10, which is a number 10, but str has been given the value of 10 as a string. So this toString function in the convert class has converted the value of the variable x from integer to string. So with this, we'll end this short tutorial here. For more free C# programming learning content, please visit openeschool.com/learn C#.